morning students. Subject Geography, Standard 7. Our topic name, topic number 3, tides. Last period we were learned about the tide, then many concept in this topic. We are learned about the main concept of a tide. Today we are going to learn about the type of tides and more information about the type of the tides. Two type of tides mainly. This tide is divided into two types. How many types? Two types. Two types. First is the spring tide and second is the neap tide. Neap tide. Two type of tide. First is the spring tide and second is the neap tides. Today we are going to two type of tides. First I will read this point. First is the spring tide, type of tides. As the timing of tide varies every day, the range of the tide also keep on changing. Generally, the highest high tide occurs on full moon day and new moon day, whereas on this day of the first and third quarter, and the high tides is at its minimum. Spring tides and neap tides are the two type of tides. First type is the spring tide. What is the spring tide? How the spring tide is occur? Two type of tides. First is a spring tide and second is a neap tide. First we are going to learn about the what is the spring tide and what is this spring tide, how this spring tide is occurs. Firstly, on new moon day and full moon day, the gravitational pull of sun and the moon act in the same direction. Due to this, the total pull increases. Hence, the tide on this day is much higher. The average high tide. This is known as the spring tide. See figure 3.7. As the flux at the high tide is greater than the water at the low tide, reduced much more. This water level during the spring tide is higher than the average high tides and lower than the average low. First type is the spring tide. That means on the new moon day and full moon day. That means at the period of the new moon day and full moon day, the gravitational pull of sun and the moon act as the same direction. That means the sun and moon act as the one direction. That means the sun and moon काय करतात एकाच रेषेत येतात. Due to this, the total pull increases. That means at that period, the total pull is increases. Hence, the tide on this day is much higher than the average high tide. That means at that period the high tide or much higher. That means this day is much higher than the average high tide. That means त्या दिवसाला काय असतं हाय टाइडची जी टाइड्स कशा असतात हायर दॅन average high tide. This is known as the spring tides and this is known as the spring tide. See figure 3.7. As log at the high tide is greater. That means the log is high tide is greater than the low tide. Low tide reduce much more. That means here given diagram and here sun and moon due to the same direction. म्हणजे ते एका रेषेमध्ये आलेले आहेत आणि hence the tide on this day is much higher. That means at that time, that means high tide is higher than average high tide. That means here high tide is much higher than the average high tide. This is known as the spring tide. And this belongs at the high tide is greater. The water at a low tide reduces much more. This water level during the spring tide is higher than the average tide. That means the water level during the spring tide is higher than the average high tides and lower than the average low. This is the information about the spring tide. Second type of the Tide is a neap tide. How this neap tide is occurring? While revolving around the earth, the moon makes a right angle with respect to earth and the sun twice a month. That means neap tide. That means at that time. That means the moon revolve around while the revolve around the earth, the moon. That means the moon revolve around the earth. At that time, this moon make a angle right angle with respect of अर्थ अँड सन टॉयस इन मंथ. म्हणजे तो मंथ मध्ये दोन वेळा काय करतो, राईट अँगल करतो. कोणाशी करतो तर अर्थ अँड सन. दिस इज पोझिशन ऑफर्स ऑन द फर्स्ट अँड थर्ड क्वार्टर ऑफ द अर्थ each month. That means this condition is occurs in the first and the third quarter of the month. That means this condition occurs in the first and third quarter of every month. On both these days, forces of both sun and the moon operate a right angle on the earth. That means at that time, the forces both sun and moon operate the right angle to the earth. See figure 3.8 are the places where sun causes high tide. And this is reasons responsible for this sun causes high tide. The gravitational pull of the moon, which is the right angle as at sea water. That means this is the right angle act as a act on the sea water. Due to such condition of the water level rise is less than the usual at the time of high tide. That means at that time the water level is the less than usual at the time of the high tide. Similarly, full in the water level in less than usual time of the low tide. That means similar condition in this period, the fell's water level is less than usual at the low tide. Here is the next last high tide. Less than the high tide, here less than the time of the low tide. This is because the attraction of the sun and the moon are not complementary but at right angle to each other. That means this is the reason responsible the attraction of the sun and moon are the complementary but right angle to each other. That means they make a right angle to each other. Such tides are called as the neap tides, and this is known as the neap tides. Neap tides are little lower than the average high tides. That means this tide are little lower than the average high tides and little higher than the average low tides. That means little higher. That means the this is the neap tides are little lower than the average high tide and a little higher than the average tide. You understand the two type of tide? First is the spring tide and second is the neap tide. Next point is the effect of tide. Next point is the effect of tide. Effect of tide. Effect of tide. Following are the effect of tides. First, with the high tides, fish move into the creeks and this help fishing activity. That means what is the effect of this tide? First effect, with the high tide, fish move into the creeks and this helps fishing activity. That means the tide is useful for the helps for the fishing activity. That means the first effect of this tides is with the high tides, fish move into the creeks. That means that with high tides, fish move into the creek and his help fishing activity. That means the tide is useful for the fishing activity. Second is the tides clean. The tides clear and washed and hence the coast become clean. That means second important point here, the tides clean the tides clean the waste and hence the coast become clean. That means the tides clear the waste and hence the coast become clean. That means काय करतात, टाइड काय करतात, जे काय वेस्ट मटेरियल असतं ते क्लीन करतात and this coast become clean आणि ते किनारा काय करतात क्लीन करतात. Port do not get filled with the sediments. That means port, port in Marathi बंदर do not get filled with sediments. That means the port cannot be filled with sediment. Third is ship can move up to the ports during high tide. Can move up the port. That means our ships can move up to the port during the high tide. That means high tide useful for the ship can move up to port during the high tide. During high tide, sea water can be stored in salt pan from which salt can be obtained. That means this high tide useful for the uh, stored salt. Sea water can be stored salt pan from the salt can be obtained. That means this is the useful for the salt salt can be obtained. This tidal force can be used in generate electricity. That means tide is used for the tidal force can be used for the generate electricity. That means this tide are useful for the generate electricity. The next important point here, a lack of understanding of the timing of high and low tides may be causes accident to swimmers entering the sea. That means lack of the understanding of the timing of the high and low tides may cause accident to swimmers entering the sea. This is the next important point. And last effect of tide is the tides helps in maintaining the mangroves and the coastal biodiversity. That means this tide is useful for the maintaining the mangroves and the coastal biodiversity. That means this is the useful for the maintaining the mangroves and the coastal biodiversity. Hmm? Timings of the tide change daily. That means here the tides are continuously occurring phenomena. After reaching the maximum water level during the high tide, the low tide set in. Similarly, after reaching the lowest water level during low tide, the high tide set in. Remember that the following discussion, the highest limit of the high tide is mentioned. Figure 3.9 will be understanding why the timing of the high and low tide change daily. That means you know very well. This tide are the continuously occurring phenomena. That means this is the continuously occurring phenomena. That means the maximum level of the maximum level during the high tide, the low tide set in. That means the maximum water level during high tide. Maximum water level is the high tide, but the low tide set in. The similarly opposite is after reaching the lowest water. That means after the lowest water level during the low tide, the high tide setting. Remember that this following discussion, highest limit of the high tide mentioned the figure 3.9. We will understand why the timings of the high and low tide change. Here given a one diagram here. Here given one diagram. Here north pole, and here earth. Here goes to one line. Here second line. Here third line. Here M1, M2 and M3. M1, M2 and M3. Here 1 point. Here 1 point. Here here 6 degrees, then 15 minutes, and here total 12 minutes and 30 seconds. F and F1. That means there will be high tide at a point P. That means here point P is the high tide and P1 is the P as it is the with tide point P as it is opposite to the moon. That means here P at P is the opposite of the moon, and that means this is the opposite to the moon. As point F is the opposite at the antipodal location. That means F is the antipodal location to point P. It will also express the high tide at the same time. That means this is the point F is the opposite to the point P. It will be experienced the high tide at the same time. Same time. That means P is experienced as the high tide at that time. It will take 24 hours the point P to come back to its original position. That means this point is in 24 hours, म्हणजे 24 तासानंतर तो काय होतो परत आपल्या पोझिशनला येतो आणि कितीचा हा करतो अँगल करतो 360 degrees. Point P will be at a point F. That means this P point will be at a point F after 24 hours. That means that time this F after 24 hours, the same change will also occur with reference to point F. That means this is the same condition about this point F. Point F will not experience the same high tide. That means this point, that means the F tide is not experienced as same high tide, because in the meanwhile the moon also would have moved to little ahead, approximately 6 degrees and 15 minutes. Hence it will take 25 minutes more the point F to come position opposite of the moon. That means at that time this are the opposite, this F point is the opposite to the moon. After 24 hours 25 minutes F will be opposite to moon and it is experienced high tide. That means this point F is opposite to the moon and at that time experienced high tide. Point P opposite to F will be also experienced the high tide. That means this point P is opposite to the F. This is expressed as the high tide. Later again, after 24 hours and 25 minutes, point P1 will be experienced the high tide. That means this P1 also experienced as high tide. As it is coming in front of moon, there will be high tide at F1 to show in figure 3.9. That means this is the shown in a figure 3.9. There is a high tide and low tide twice a day. As like this condition occurs in the day in 2 times. That means this 24 hours and 25 minutes. Thank you.